Hello guys, welcome to Wi-Fi Info YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to find any Wi-Fi password in Windows 11 or Windows 10. You can find any Wi-Fi password that you have used on your computer till date. You have to use a couple of small commands and your Wi-Fi password will be displayed. So if you want to learn this method, then you have to watch this video till the end, like the video and subscribe the channel. So before starting this video, if you want to learn anything about Wi-Fi, how to find Wi-Fi password, how to change password, what are the top Wi-Fi hacking applications. So for this you have to open Google Chrome browser on your mobile or on your computer. Then search Tropitech. Open the first website tropitech.com. On this website you will find all kinds of information related to Wi-Fi, like what are the top Wi-Fi hacking apps, how to change Wi-Fi name, how to change Wi-Fi password. You will find all this in this website. If you want to learn anything about Wi-Fi, then you have to go to the Wi-Fi section on this website. So you must check out this website. To find Wi-Fi password on Windows, first open the command prompt. You can open command prompt by two methods. Press Windows plus R button and type CMD. Then press enter button to open the command prompt. Or go to the start menu and search CMD and open command prompt from here. I am doing this on Windows 11. You can try this method on any Windows version like Windows 10, Windows 7. Now in command prompt you have to write a command. You have to write this command that I have just written and make no spelling mistakes in it. All the commands used in this video can be found on the Tropitech website that I just shared with you. You can also copy and paste these commands by going to this website. After writing this command, press enter. When you press the enter button, you will see the complete list of Wi-Fi networks that you have used on your computer till date. Now to view password of these Wi-Fi networks, you have to write another command. In this command, after the profile, write the exact name of the Wi-Fi. After writing the name of Wi-Fi, then write key is equal to clear and press enter button. So when you press the enter button, all the details of this Wi-Fi will appear in front of you. Here in the security section, you will see the Wi-Fi password written in front of key content. You can repeat this method for any Wi-Fi listed above. Just write this command again and change the Wi-Fi name. So in this way, you can easily find any Wi-Fi password on Windows. You cannot find the password of the Wi-Fi that you are currently using by this method. So to find the password of that Wi-Fi, go to the start menu, search control panel, then go to the network and internet section. Then open network and sharing center. Then in front of connections option, click on that Wi-Fi. Then go to the wireless properties. Then open security tab and click on show characters option. So here is your Wi-Fi password. That's all for today's video. If you have any question, then you can comment below. Thanks a lot for watching.